So, welcome to another week's Outfits of the Week. This is the second week in August, and yeah, this is what I am wearing for the week. So, we're starting off with a day heading into the studio, and I've got on this dress that I thrifted a while back. I think I showed you in a different video. It's from Primark originally, and the collar is originally Primark too, I think. The beret is from my friend's vintage shop in Bray called Finders Keepers, and I'll leave their website linked below so you can see all of the stuff they have. This jacket is from Finders Keepers as well. It's kind of become my new favorite jacket. I like the kind of length of it and the boxy fit. Yeah, I've just been wearing it so much. So on the way into the studio, I dropped off into one of my charity shops and I tried on this really cute top from Zara. It was brand new with tags and it was a definite yes. And I really liked this beaded skirt as well. I thought it was really cute and reminded me of like the early 2000s indie vibes. And I also found these really cute leggings with all this cute little star print on them. So it's Tuesday today. I'm just in the studio. Picked up some bits on the way in and I thought I would show you. Lots of sequin and sparkle as always. Yeah, so I picked up this top, which is originally Zara. And it's only one because it still has the tags on. But it's so cute. It's such a nice colour pink and it has puffy sleeves. Really like that. I got these leggings. They're just like little cotton leggings with stars on them. I think they might be cute styled under sheer things and I can always wear them as pyjamas too. They were like €1, so they're worth it. Then I got this gorgeous skirt. It's got all this beautiful, I don't know, like gunmetal coloured beading all over it. Reminds me like a lot of like an indie kind of style. That's the brand there. I've never heard of them, but it looks expensive because it's got a little thing there with the same brand name. And also the zip is branded, which usually is the sign of like, you know, a good brand. And then I got this top, which again, obviously the sequins I was attracted to. And this is River Island. But I think there's going to be so many ways of styling this. I'm actually going to try it like a vest over this and see what that looks like. So I'll do that now. Okay, I actually think that is so sweet styled like that. Okay, and then the next day I was wearing that skirt that I think I thrifted in the last video. It's originally from ASOS and it's got all this kind of beaded detail on it. It's like a tapestry fabric. I love it so much and I have it on with these Asics trainers that I thrifted a while back and this suit jacket that I also thrifted a while back. Yeah, so kind of a fully thrifted outfit, I suppose. The bag is from Vans. The beret, I think, is from Monkey a while back. And the glasses are ASOS. I kind of get all my sunglasses on ASOS. Just thought I would show you my outfit again today. My camera is not charged, so I'm just on my phone. But yeah, this skirt is so cool. It's originally from ASOS. And it's got all this gemstone detail all over it. Show you here. I got it secondhand for €5, which is amazing. But I have seen them online if you search like Tapestry skirt or upholstery skirt ASOS, and you might be lucky and find one. But yeah, I love this piece. I love the A-line shape on it. Shoes are also thrifted. They're
Asics. Yeah, I really held out on buying a pair of Asics, even though I loved how they looked, because I thought I'd be able to thrift some, and I was. I got these for less than €5 and I just washed them in the washing machine. Yeah, and they came up looking pretty much brand new, so they're really fun. Yeah, so that is my outfit for today.
And the next look is an outfit that I was filming for my brand. So I made this outfit to send to a new stockist that I got. It's like a top and a skirt and a collar. So I just wanted to get some nice video footage of it styled before I sent it off. But it was also Copenhagen Fashion Week this week, and I thought it would have been a great outfit to wear had I been going. And then the next day I'm wearing that top that I just thrifted, the Zara top, and I have that on with this tall kind of brown satin skirt that I got, I don't know when, but it's it's secondhand. And the little floral bag is from Pull & Bear, and I've been using that lately just to put my phone in, so I don't have to keep trying to find my phone, especially if I don't have a outfit with pockets. Glasses are ASOS again. And then this little side kind of cow print bag is also Pull & Bear. I picked that up in the sale and thought it'd be great to style with outfits, just to kind of add a pop of print into an outfit. I've also started filming a lot for TikTok, like outfits of the day, so that's what a lot of this footage is. But you can definitely head over to my TikTok and follow me there for kind of everyday outfits that I'm wearing. Yeah, that's kind of the most up to date, I suppose, because my YouTube videos can run like a week or two behind. The last outfit that we have for this week is my dress, which is a sample designer kind of sample piece, like handmade. It's really cute, and I always wear it kind of with a shirt or a blouse underneath. I just find it easier to kind of style things that way. If I have a sleeveless dress, I usually just make it into a dress with like a blouse underneath, so that's what I've done today. And my loafers are from Stradivarius, I think. Just little silver loafers. So that's going to be it for this week. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you're interested, I also do my outfits of the day on TikTok, or you can follow my Instagram if you'd like to see what I'm wearing over there. But yeah, thanks so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.